everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Drooling Dishes. Today's recipe is mixed dry fruit halwa. The ingredients are dates half cup, prunes, dry fig quarter cup, raisins, flax seeds, badam, pista, cashews, walnuts, sugar half cup, cardamom powder and ghee. To proceed with, we are going to make sugar syrup. I am going to soak dates, prunes and a dry fig in hot water. Soak it well for more than 15 minutes. The next process is sugar syrup. Equal amount of water, half cup water, half cup sugar. Just dilute the sugar. By heating it. Now the next process is to roast the dry ingredients. First badam, walnuts, then cashews, pistas, a spoon of flax seeds, cool it, and then we are going to grind it into a coarse powder. Add some ghee, roast some raisins, the same pan, add 2 spoons of ghee, add the paste made of dates, prunes and dry fig. Here and stir it for 5 minutes. Add sugar syrup. Stir it until it becomes thick. It has become thick now. Add the coarse powder of nuts in it. Then some cardamom powder, The mixture is getting thick. Add 2 spoons of ghee. So that it gets aromatic. Now it has become a thick mass. Turn it off and cool it in a plate. Now transfer the mixture into a plate.
Now the healthy dry fruit halwa is ready. It is a healthy snacks for our children. If you like this, please subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. Thank you.